Hi guys, this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration. We are going to be creating a berry wreath today. So I've got some watercolour card here and I've got a number of different stamps here I'm going to be using. Anyway, let's get started. And first of all I'm going to ink up in the Nocturne. So this is the larger of the berry wreath. These come in a set of 2. And I'm going to make a start. Just press that down nice and firm. And then again on the other side. And then we've got our smaller berry flourish there, and I'm going to ink up this time in the Twilight. Now I'm going to stamp off ever so lightly. Just by adding 2 different colours, it gives it a slightly different dimension. So very lightly stamp off, and again I pop that there like so. So next I've got a little flourish stamp and I'm going to ink up this time in the Golden Meadow. This is quite a prominent colour, so I want something to sit very much in the background. So I'm just working my way around the edge. Like so. Next thing we're going to do is create a little bit of a hill here for our houses to sit on. I think what I might do is actually stamp the houses first. So I am going to ink up in the Twilight. Let's pop that round about there. And then we've got another little house. These come in a set as well. I'm only going to need 2 of the houses from the set, and I think there's 3 altogether. But it's quite a small window there, so I think 3 will probably be a little bit too much. So now we need our hail mask, just to ground those houses, and then my stencil brush. So I need a dark colour, so I'm picking the Elements Dark Denim. This is your water-based ink, and then I'm going to literally just add that colour just at the base. And then I'm going to move the mask and just create another little ridge there. And that just gives it a little bit of depth. Maybe I'll do another one. So I'm going to take the blue atoll now, which is a really nice sort of turquoise blue, and I only want a hint of it, very, very lightly. I'm going to work our way around the edge. So in this instant, less is more. You can build up your colour very gradually. If you want it a little bit deeper, just do it bit by bit. Build it up all the way around. Okay, so I've got another little flourish stamp here. I'm going to pop that down. And this time I'm going to use Warm Breeze. Let's just start adding a little around. Just by using a different colour, it just creates so much depth. So moving on from that, I've got another little flourish here as well. And this time I'm going to ink up in the twilight, but I am going to take that first impression off. Just want it very, very loosely in the background there, all the way around, building it up, like so. And now for some words. So I've just picked a nice winter verse here. What colour shall we go with? Actually, I might go with the golden meadow because I don't want anything at this point too overpowering. Let's just give that a go. That's great. Okay. That keeps it nice and light. I'm going to pop the lights on in the house. All these little bits, all the attention to detail makes all the difference. So keep working with your card. Even if you're not happy with it straight away, it's surprising how it evolves. I'll put a few little white spots about, just to make it look a little bit more snowy. And now we're going to go in with the red. So you've got your red berries here, and we're just going to colour those in. So just take your time to work around that berry wreath. Just makes all the difference, doesn't it? Just seeing that red now coming through. Now I know that there's a lot of berries, but there is something quite therapeutic about colouring in, so enjoy the moment. It almost looks, the colours that we've used today makes it almost look like quite vintage. So what we can do now is to add a hint of white on some of these berries. So I've got my white Posca, and I'm putting a few little dots on the berries where the light would have caught. And this just makes them a little bit more 3D. So again, just work your way around, take your time. Just a tiny dot makes a huge difference. Just for you. There we go. And now we're going to finish that with a little bit of glitter. I've got some stickles here. This one's quite a nice one. This is holly, I think, yeah. Let's give that a go because it's got green and red flecks of glitter in, which I think looks really quite effective. And it goes with the card really well. So let's just dot a little about and it will give us that lovely sparkle. Okay, so what I might do, just to finish off, is add a tiny little bit of the holographic glitter, which is a really coarse glitter, and it will just sit on some of the stickles to make that glitter stand out that much more again. I'm quite happy with that. So I hope that you enjoyed watching today's demo. I know that I really enjoyed creating that today. Thank you for joining me. You take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.